Hi everybody, welcome to week 13. This week our sole focus is on finding a scholarly peer-reviewed journal article that relates to our course theme and that we can use in our next paper. Here's the overview. Basically we're finding, we're reading, we're annotating, and we're writing a summary of our article, which is due on Sunday. So let's go back to week 13 to the module, and I'll walk you through the different things that are available in this module. So the first thing we have here is the prompt. This takes you to the prompt. I'm going to create a separate video that goes over the prompt and discusses the prompt in more detail. So I won't do that now. Here is a page with information on the information cycle. Which should help you understand a little bit more about how a scholarly article differs from a popular source. Here's instructions on how to find your scholarly article. Please read through this really carefully. It basically explains how to get to ProQuest and what to do once you are in ProQuest. This is a really important checklist for determining if you actually have a scholarly article. This video, super short, provides you with some, I think, really useful tips on how to read a scholarly article. And then this is where you submit your summary and a PDF copy of your scholarly article on Sunday. Okay, so let's go to, really briefly, let's go to the assignment. Okay, the assignment is to write a 1.5 to 2 page summary. It can be a little bit longer. That's just kind of a ballpark of your scholarly article, and also submit a PDF. And your article, to earn credit for the assignment, your article needs to relate to our course theme. So it can really relate to anything we've read, anything that's come up throughout the course of the semester. It should be published within the last 5 years. Super important, it needs to be published by a United States university or a government entity, which is a reliable research institution. This is because, unfortunately, over the last few years, there are a lot of fraudulent scholarly sources, or just not very good scholarly sources published from all over the world in kind of an open access way. So if you use like Google Scholar, a lot of times you'll pull up scholarly sources that look scholarly but aren't really. So an example of that might be a scholarly article on free speech that's published in China. And sometimes is published by an actual Chinese university, but on that particular topic of free speech, it would not be reliable because China does not allow free speech. So that's an example. That's why we want it to be published by a United States university or government entity. And these institutions, they also have set procedures for peer review. So the information on these sources is reliable. Okay. Also, you want to make sure that it's not such a technical topic that you can't understand it. There's obviously going to be a lot of parts of the scholarly article we don't understand because these articles are written for other scholars or experts. So, it's okay if you don't understand all of it, but you should be able to understand enough of it that you can use it in your writing. Okay. So that's what's due this week. If you find an article you think you like, but you have some questions about it, feel free to email me. You can send me a copy of it, a PDF copy, and that would be helpful as well in making sure that it's a good choice for this assignment.